At LabTest, we specialize in providing comprehensive product testing, inspection, and certification services. Whether you are looking to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, verify product quality and safety, or simply gain a competitive edge, we are here to assist you every step of the way. As a dedicated team of professionals, we pride ourselves on our commitment to building strong and lasting business relationships with our clients. We recognize that your success is our success, and we prioritize your needs above all else. We understand that launching a product can be a daunting task in today's dynamic market. One of our top priorities is ensuring the timely delivery of our services. You can count on us to prioritize your requests and work diligently to meet your deadlines. In addition to our commitment to timeliness, we also prioritize clear and open communication with our clients. When partnering with LabTest Certification, you have direct access to the technical engineers who are working on your project. Effective communication is a two-way process. We encourage feedback, questions, and engagement from our clients. We believe it is key to building strong and trusting relationships, and we make every effort to keep you informed throughout the process. When choosing LabTest certification for your product testing, inspection, and certification needs, you can expect a high level of expertise, dedication, and customer service. Are you ready to bring your engineering products to a whole new level of success? Choose LabTest and we will work with you toward your goals. Contact us today.